We often get calls from our customers where they've noticed their system has started making a different noise than it does during normal operation. And a lot of times these customers will wait until the very last second before finally making the decision to have somebody come out and take a look at it. It's actually a very bad idea. Systems can make different noises for all sorts of different reasons. And actually a very simple problem could turn into a much worse and much more expensive problem. So by all means, if you do notice that your system's making a noise that you don't think is quite right or quite normal, please give us a call and let us send a technician out to take a look at it right away.